Good morning to students. Today the chapter 6 optics. The next topic spherical mirror. Some of the condition of the spherical mirror. Now we can discuss about. Can we discuss the spherical mirror? Okay. So now we are taking to the hollow spherical mirror. Okay. This is a hollow. This is the hollow spherical mirror. Okay, now we want cut to the two portion. So now you see the down, I cut to the two portion, one this side, another one this side. Okay, so now what we are doing, the inside I put that some of the line. Okay, why I am put that lines means this portion also not reflected. It is not a shining surface, it is not reflected. Okay, this back side is a reflected surface. It is a reflected surface. This type of mirror we are called to convex mirror. It is called to the convex mirror. Are you understood? So next portion you see that outside I put that some of the lines. Okay, so this portion it is not reflected, it is hard surface. So inside portion is what that inside portion is reflected surface. So this type of mirrors we are called to the concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. Okay, so we are discuss about the 5 or 6 conditions there. The first one condition is center of curvature. Center of curvature. You know that hollow sphere having to the center point. That point we are called to center of curvature. That point we are called to center of curvature. Okay. Next point, radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Okay, so you see that some of the light it's going on and fall on, reach to the mirror. You see that this point is what we have said. This point is a center of curvature, right? The center of curvature, the line, some of the line join to the mirror to the center of curvature. Okay, this is portion. This portions we are called to the radius. So this radius, how to other way also we are drawing to the line. So here starting to here, this starting to here, this starting to here. So more types of the radius line we make to that. Okay, so next the same like to the convex mirror also. So the center of point, okay, the line join to the mirror to the center of curvature, to the center of curvature. This portion we are called to radius, capital R. These portions we are called to the radius. Are you understood? So next one, pole. Next one is a pole. The center of mirror. The center of mirror. You see the concave. The center of mirror. Which one is the center of mirror? This one, right? The center of curvature. The line joined to the mirror. No, here one point. No, that is called to the pole. That is called to the pole. That is called to the pole. Okay, or geometrical center or geometrical center. This is a pole or geometrical center. So the same like to also this point also the pole. This point also the pole. Okay, this point also the pole. So next fourth one, principal axis. The principal axis. What is this principal axis? You see the light rays. The light rays going to that through the center of curvature to the spherical mirror. That light rays going to through the center of curvature and fall on the mirror. Fall on the mirror, it is immediately reflected the same medium. It is immediately reflected to the same medium. So it is called to optical axis or principal axis. This is called to optical axis. The same light rays going to going to and fall on the mirror. That mirror again reflected the same way again going, again come back to the rays, again come back to the rays, the same way come back to the, which way it is going to the way, the same way it is come back to the rays. Okay, this is called, that rays is a reflected rays, that is called to the optical axis or principal axis. So I put the two arrow mark. First it's going to the light rays, this arrow mark. After the reflected is here, the same way it's here going on. So this is here another, the reflect, the again coming, no, come back to the rays. So this is a optical axis. So next one, focus or focal length, focus point. So now you take to that concave mirror. The two part I will separately are drawing. You see that two part. Okay, wow. So you see that this is a center of curvature. This is a center of curvature. This point is a pole. This is what? It's a mirror. Okay, concave mirror. So now that's going to the sum of the lights here. Okay, wow. The same like of the sum of the lights, it's going on, going to the mirror, that mirror and the touch that fall on the mirror, that lights fall on the mirror, some of the lights, all the light rays fall on the mirror, it is immediately reflected. That rays also form in the one point. Okay, the center of curvature line there, no, that line, any one point, all the rays are joined. You see that this one point, all the reflector rays joined. You see that, clear the picture? Okay, this point is a focus point. We are telling focus or focus point. Are you understood? Okay, next, focal length. Which one is a focal length? You see that focal length, the focus point to the mirror. Focus point to the mirror. This distance we are called to focal length. We are denoted by small f. Right. So next, the same like only for that convex lens also. Next you see that next last point, the focal plane mirror. Now we are the center of curvature near one focal plane mirror. One plane mirror we are kept. Right? The plane through the focus and the perpendicular to the principal axis. It is called the focal plane mirror.